Hello students, today we are discussing about plasma membrane or also known as cell membrane. As I wrote some lines on this paper is you can see this diagram of cell or plasma membrane showing molecular structure given by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. According to them, width of this membrane is varying between 70 to 80 nanometer, made up by 70 to 80% proteins or 70 to 80% lipids and 5% of sugar. So if we can translate this paragraph, so सिंगर और निकोलसन दो साइंटिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने 1972 में सेल मेम्ब्रेन की स्ट्रक्चर को समझाया, अपना एक मॉडल दिया एंड दिस मॉडल इज़ नोन एज फ्लूइड मोज़ेक मॉडल ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. ओके, इस मॉडल के अकॉर्डिंग प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की जो विड्थ है, उसकी जो वाइडनेस है, वो अप्रॉक्स 70 टू 80 नैनोमीटर मेजर की जाती है. और ऐसा कहा जाता है कि सेल मेम्ब्रेन का जो कंपोजिशन है उसमें अप्रॉक्स 70 टू 80% प्रोटीन्स एंड 70 to 80% lipids and also 5% of sugar is present. If you can see the diagram of cell membrane, there are so many kind of molecules. Some are lipids, some are cholesterol, some are proteins, and remaining are carbohydrates. So we can discuss about them alternatively. The first is membrane proteins. You see, the percentage of membrane protein is varying from 70 to 80%, means not that they are exactly found in this percentage. They are varying between 70 to 80 or can say 40 to 80% in each type of cell membrane, because cell membrane is a main component of eukaryotic cells. So that's why this is the variation percentage or varying percentage. There are two types of membrane proteins are found in plasma membranes. We can categorize them as extrinsic or external proteins, and second is intrinsic or integral proteins. How can we define them? The proteins, those are embedded or entangled with or within cell membrane are resemble as intrinsic proteins, and those who are not embedded inside the cell membrane or just attached either outside or inside the cell membrane are commonly known as extrinsic or external proteins. यानी कि ऐसे प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल्स जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन के अंदर प्रेजेंट है, बीच में प्रेजेंट है. यू कैन सी देर आर थ्री टाइप ऑफ प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल्स, दोज आर विद इन सेल मेम्ब्रेन. ओके, द सेकेंड रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर एंड इंट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन मैंने लिख रखा है, देखो डायग्राम में बीच में. इसमें थ्री तरह के मैंने पार्ट्स बता रखे हैं इसके. द फर्स्ट इज ट्रांस मेम्ब्रेन, सेकेंड इज चैनल प्रोटीन एंड थर्ड इज ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन. These are intrinsic protein examples. Okay, and then if we can talking about the extrinsic protein, so you can see a red like structure, red oval shape structure which lying just beneath to the channel protein is an example of extrinsic protein. Next point is that why proteins are present or found in cell membranes or plasma membranes. The function is that transport and chemical coordination. Various types of chemical reactions are occurred at cellular level. Those are depend or completely depend on various types of protein. Those are found in plasma membranes. And the first is main function is that transport. Here we are talking about molecular transport, just like glucose, fat, proteins, another proteins, vitamins, gases, minerals, water molecules. These type of stuffs, those are coming or going inside or outside to the cells respectively. So the transport and chemical coordination is main two functions of the membrane proteins. Now we are going for membrane lipids, the second cloud, or which is found in bottom side of this paper. Membrane lipids are also in varying percentage, which is 70 to 80%. There are three type of lipids. What are lipids? If we can talking about the lipids, that another question is that what type of components are necessary to make one molecule of lipid. There are two type of components. The first is glycerol and the second is fatty acids. See, three molecules of fatty acids and one molecule of glycerol will make a single molecule of lipid. There are so many kind of lipids, just like phospholipids, cholesterol, saturated fat, unsaturated fat, oils. These are examples of lipids. In cell membrane, there are three type of membrane lipids. The first is phospholipid. You can see in this diagram, the first a single line structure in which a circular or round shape head in upper part and lower two tails. Okay, so this structure is a phospholipid, but if you see the fourth part of the phospholipid, so there is a kink or a broken leg like structure. This is another type of lipid which found in plasma membrane, है ना? There are some exceptions in plasma membrane. So the first part is phospholipid, second is kink, and third is cholesterol. See, what is cholesterol? There are so many nucleuses or so many molecules are bind together to make a cholesterol molecule. Cholesterol is main but least component of the cell membrane, and it is necessary to continue the membrane fluidity. You can see सर्दियों में जैसे घी जो होता है, जो काऊ घी है, वो जम जाता है बिकॉज उसमें कोलेस्ट्रॉल की जो अमाउंट है वो कम होती है. ओके, बट जो ऑयल होता है वो वैसा ही रहता है. गर्मियों में भी वो मेल्टेड है और सर्दियों में भी वो नॉर्मल कंडीशन में है. ठीक है, तो बिकॉज उसमें कोलेस्ट्रॉल का अमाउंट ज़्यादा है, तो जिसमें कोलेस्ट्रॉल ज़्यादा होगा उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी कभी चेंज नहीं होगी. तो इसलिए नेचर ने या एवोल्यूशन ने कह सकते हैं कि हमारे सेल मेम्ब्रेन में भी बहुत सारे कोलेस्ट्रॉल के मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं अलग अलग जगह पे. तो वो कोलेस्ट्रॉल के मॉलिक्यूल्स हेल्प करते हैं कि मेम्ब्रेन ज़्यादा हीट में मेल्ट ना हो जाए और ज़्यादा कोल्ड में या ज़्यादा विंटर में जम ना जाए, फ्रोस्ट ना हो जाए. ओके, सो टू अवॉइड फ्रॉस्टिंग or to avoid melting. So the main function of the cholesterol is to provide membrane fluidity and also transfer of lipid soluble substances such as lipid soluble or fat soluble vitamins. See, last topic is membrane sugar. What are membrane sugar and why they are necessary to be in plasma membrane? You heard about that antigens, those are specific IDs of human body or of cells, those are found in human body. So membrane sugars are these antigens. Okay, these are ID. एक सेल की छोटी सी आईडी है जो कि एक सेल को दूसरी सेल से डिफरेंशिएट करती है, डिफर करती है. सो हर सेल में एक स्पेसिफिक काइंड ऑफ एंटीजन प्रेजेंट है जो कि सारी सेल्स का अलग अलग है ऑलमोस्ट, बट ह्यूमन बॉडी का अल्टीमेटली कंबाइंडली एक सेम एंटीजन होता है जो कि किसी दूसरे इंसान से बिल्कुल अलग होगा. हाँ, twins are genetically similar and their antigens are also similar. Okay, but instead of twins there is no any other kind of person which is exactly similar to your body. दुनिया में ट्विंस के अलावा कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो आपकी बॉडी के लिए एकदम सिमिलर हो, सेम हो. So there is 5% of sugar and there are two types of sugar. The first is glycoprotein and the second is glycolipid. You can see the diagram. Glycoprotein is unbranched chain of sugar and glycolipid is branched chain of sugar. Okay, hope you guys understand about the plasma membrane. Thank you.